Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. I'm back in my car. So we got more car videos because my car, I finally got it fixed. So shout out to AAA for coming to my house and literally putting in a new battery in my car. I didn't even know that was possible. I kept putting it off, taking it to the mechanic, and AAA was like, we can literally come to your house and put it in for you. Because I was about to get it towed to the mechanic place. And I have AAA, I've had it, you know, for towing and stuff when I break down. But they're like, oh yeah, we do that. Like, we have batteries, we just come. And they came in 30 minutes and gave me a new battery, and my car works great again. And I'm like, wow, that was nice. So, yeah, they saved me a lot of trouble. We have a big update with Uber stock price. Uber stock is soaring through the roof. So, we're gonna talk about it. This is the Rideshare Hub, where we talk about Uber, Lyft, gig economy, finances, and stocks as well. So we do have a video sponsor, Play Octopus. Play Octopus is a company that will send you I gotta get an oil change next. My car's beeping at me. They're a company that will send you a free tablet to put in your car. I don't have it in here because I was put in my other car, but they'll send you a free tablet to put here, and your passengers can sit in the back seat and play games on it. And you as a driver make up to an extra $100 per month. So if you drive for Uber or for Lyft, get it, because you will literally make up to an extra $100 a month. And some drivers even make more because they start referring people, and you know, they got buddies who drive for Uber and Lyft, they help them sign up, they get like 25 bucks. Anyways, so check out Play Octopus, use our link Rideshare Hub below to get a free tablet. Comes with a data plan, and it's awesome. It's a really cool tablet. I think it's a T-Mobile tablet or Verizon or Android tablet. Okay. So let's get it started. So if you didn't know, Uber just reported earnings. I believe that was what, Q1 earnings, and Uber stock price is through the roof. Oh, Q4. Sorry, they report earnings from Q4, I guess. Yeah, we ended 2022 with our strongest quarter ever, said robust demand and record margins, said CEO Dara Khosrowshahi. That is crazy. So now this is a pivotal moment because this is the first time ever, well, I mean, during the pandemic, Uber was down, like, slow. You know, people weren't going out as much. But now this just shows, I mean, this is a massive indicator for the entire economy, in my opinion. I think Uber is a great baseline judge of people moving around, people getting out, people spending money again, people, you know, the average person taking an Uber to go to work, taking an Uber to go to the restaurant, go to the store, go out with their friends, go hang out, go wherever, you know. So the fact that this is Uber's strongest quarter, I believe indicates, I don't know if you guys are into stocks or the economy, but I think this indicates that the economy now is basically booming again. Like, it seems like the economy is doing really, really well, simply based off of Uber having their strongest quarter yet. Because, you know, during the pandemic, like I said, the economy was basically, you know, people weren't going out to work as much, right? So Uber posted a narrower fourth quarter loss Wednesday alongside firmer ride revenues and forecast solid near-term profits amid a return to normal commuting patterns, like I said, and the ongoing travel and restaurant boom. Uber said revenues for the 3 months ending in December rose 49% from last year to 8.6 billion. That's crazy. Gross bookings rose 19% to $30 billion. Holy snipes. How much are you making? You making 30 billion bucks? You an Uber driver? No. Probably making 50 grand a year if you're a great driver. That's 4 grand a month. When I was driving Lyft full time, I was probably making 500 or 600 bucks a week. And I was driving like 30, 40 hours a week. I was exhausted, bro. I drive for 3 hours, take a 4-hour nap after. I don't know how some of you guys go out there and drive 12 hours a day. It's beyond me. I don't know how you're alive. I really don't know how you can get up every day and drive 12 hours and go back to bed and do it again. It makes me go crazy. I literally, one time I drove 40, 50 hours, I think, in 1 week. And I had to take 2 weeks off because I was so tired. I just don't think driving is for me. Which is kind of ironic because I have this channel. But, you know, I'm a fan of the part-time gig work, okay? That's what the channel's about. Looking at the first 3 months of the year, Uber said it sees adjusted earnings between $660 million and $700 million. Holy crap, they're earning like over $1 billion. It's nuts. Yeah, so Uber shares were marked 8.2% higher in pre-market trading immediately following the earnings, to indicate an opening bell price of $37 each. A move that would extend the stock's 6-month gain to around 18%. So if you've been investing in Uber lately, you made some serious dough. I don't have any stock in Uber. I probably should because I run this channel. But I don't know. I also know there's a lot of issues with Uber, so that's probably why I'm like a little hesitant to invest in Uber. But I'm honestly not really invested in the stock market at all right now because I don't know. I don't know. I don't know why I'm not. Are you guys invested in stocks? Okay, I'm gonna end the video there. Let me know your thoughts on this video. Check out Play Octopus, link below, to get that tablet in the back of your car so your passengers can play games. Oh, and they actually win cash prizes when they play. That's why they play. But they don't have to play and you can still earn income. So check out Play Octopus, get your free tablet below and use our link, use code RideshareHub, and you can make an extra up to $100 per month. So thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye now.